Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this tutorial number 71, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about pivot chart. So let's get started. So what are the different ways in which you can insert the pivot table? The very first option is you're going to go on to the insert, and then you can click on recommended charts. It's going to give you recommendation, and you can see whatever charts they have this icon over here at the top right corner. They are the pivot tables, and if you scroll further, these are the normal tables, and they are looking like a mess. So you can select any one of them, showing you the based on different salespersons, or based on different products, or based on different regions. So you can select from them. The other way is you can go to over here, insert a pivot chart, and then it's gonna give you a blank sheet, and then you can design like pivot tables. And the third option is that if you already have the pivot table, and then based on that you want to create a pivot chart. So let's first of all go ahead with this option, pivot chart, and I click on OK. And now over here I can say that I want to create a pivot chart. I want to show the different regions and what sale I had in different regions. So I'm seeing over here the pivot table and pivot chart all together. So we have pivot table, and based on that creates a pivot chart. The other option is you simply create a pivot table. Let's say this time I'm showing the list of products and what sale I had in different products. And now I want to create a chart out of this pivot table. So on the pivot table tools, analyze, we have a tools command, and from there you can see you want to insert a pivot chart, or you want to have some kind of recommendation. So here also showing you different kind of recommendation. So I'll go ahead with pivot chart, and then you have different types of charts. You can decide you want to display as a clustered column or line or pie chart or a bar chart. Different types of charts are there. So let's go ahead with the bar chart and click on OK. And now you can see that the chart got created where you are seeing the sales of different products. You're gonna see over here is that for all these charts we have a filter appearing over here. So if you are not interested in seeing a particular product, you can just remove those items. So if you say I don't want to have Bluetooth speaker and camera and tablet computer, I click on OK, and those items got removed. So this is how you can work with filters. And if you have multiple categories added over here, if you say I added also the region over here, and then you can see within your chart you are seeing different categories. So you have a grouping of regions appearing, and within those regions you have list of products appearing. So this is how you can do the customization of your charts. And rest quite similar to everything like we had in charts. We can do the designing. We have different elements that can be added. You can change the chart colors. You have different layoutings available, and you can do the formatting as we did in charts. So pretty much it's all similar to charts. So hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.